cell, 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 cell,
volume,
cell, 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 cell,
volume,
cell, 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 cell,
Max volume.
cell, cell,
Max
cell,
volume.
cell, 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 sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, 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 sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, 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 sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, 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 sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, 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 sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, 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 sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 volume, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 volume, sell, buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 volume, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell,
All right, one trade in, 3 tick profit. The one I took there was a momentum continuation off of an ATR candle. We also had another setup on the 3-second convergences. We had a couple different convergences that were kind of screaming breakout to the downside, which helped me juice that trade a little bit more. We've got another little continuation here, possibly. I'm going to stock a short. So I'm going to try it. Short 79. I think that's gone already. I'm going to pull that order. That was a good idea. I'll count it as such. So some pretty good continuation, especially considering I was short way back here at like 81s. We're now trading 78s. Would have liked to grab that continuation there at 79.50, but I just missed it, which is part of trading. We'll see how price reacts here as we trade back above the moving average. This is a pretty consistent downtrend here. So ATR candle, looks like this one's going to be a fade up. Pretty steady buy in there, a 47 lot, 12 lot, and then another move up there. This is light buying though, so I'm not quite ready to chase this one. I also don't like it when we're just flirting with the moving average. I like to get some pretty clear movement above or below it. And right now we're just kind of dancing on it.
Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. 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 Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy. Buy. Sell. Sell.
Move there. Followed by a fade. Some volatility hitting the market here. And I have no clue what it's going to do here. That move up from the 30-second was very top heavy. Let me turn the 30-second back on, actually. So if we're looking at the 30-second, it was very top heavy back here. We started getting a lot of buying on the upside. Now on the way down, it looks like a lot of those buyers have been liquidated. There's pretty good strength here above the MA. I just want to see signs of that continuing. 21 lot sell there. It is holding. I'm going to try it. The long at 81.50. Looks like it might already be gone. Yeah, I'm going to pull that. But count it as a good pulse check. Already got the point there. Back up through prior day high here. So we haven't gotten an ATR candle in a while. It's probably because the ATR was widened so much by that last candle. Looks like we just printed one. We're right on the SMA, so I'm not crazy about trading this one per se. You got some pretty good sells here. Had an 80 lot against a 40 lot hit there. I'm gonna go ahead and clear. I am leaning short for the mean reversion. There's some pretty big buyers stepping in here, so I think that idea is invalidated. Move back down. I'll pulse check this long just to see if we can get precedence on those reclaims. So along 83.50. I think I would be able to get 2 ticks, maybe 3. There's some strength here. Let's see if it can continue. There are some sellers coming back, so it looks like that buyer that came in is now out. And we also traded through a convergence level. We have printed a new convergence though. Right up through there. That did have a pretty good liquidity grab look to it. Let's see if sellers want to continue this down. I like the momentum. I'm going to try it, the 83 short. I think I can get away with moving my stop up a little bit. Steady selling here. I'll take it for 5, maybe the 4 if it'll give it to me. And I got the 4. So let's go tag that real quick. 2 lot, 4 ticks. That was technically a mean reversion. And on entry, I did not have any ATR candles. It was a pretty conservative scalp. I would call that a B setup. Risk off. I do have an area of interest. We're flirting with prior day high here. I did have strong tape in my favor. A couple big order blocks against me. And some decent small order blocks in my favor. We had a top tick just a couple minutes ago. I don't think there's a trend or a range. We're kind of in this weird range expansion mode. So I'm not going to tag either of those, honestly. And I am pretty happy with that. Now, we did have a new convergence set up here. Let's go ahead and mark that out. So literally from here to here. We're still flirting with that 50 MA.
buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell,
We're trading back up through this convergence, so that is gone. We got one more convergence up to 85. We're trading above the MA. Let's see if buying can hold up. Buying is kind of weak here. I'll go ahead and reset just to see if we can get a clearer sign. There was a 56 that came in, but then I think a 47 came out. So it looks like a lot of wash trading in this area. I also don't have ATR candle advantage, which I would like. Oh, there's one. Yeah, there's some decent buying here. I'm going to try the long at 83.50. I think I can risk a point here. This is a pretty tight risk. Took the stop. Yeah, big sellers hitting the tape here. But we did get some more on the way out. Let's highlight those. We're on the way up. I'm going to try the try two, long 82.75. Bring my risk up to about 5 ticks. Maybe 6 just to risk the lows there. I think the chances of a reclaim are pretty decent here, especially since I have the convergence above me. I actually have multiple above me. A big old seller at 83.50 for me to fade into, so let's see what we can make stick today. Trying to pay attention to the bids here. There's a 300 lot here that we're trading through, which I like. Let's see if we can squeeze him out of the market. Pretty big bid, 120. Move my stop up a couple ticks. Book is getting pretty thick here. There's some big offers up here. 283. The bids are steady. What could help me here is if I see some big offers hit, but fail to push price lower. That would certainly help. Steady buying, 27 lot. 15 lot. Trading 84s. Bit of a pullback here, so there's some pretty decent selling there. 127 lot, and I want to see him get absorbed. So I want to see us accept above 83s. Big bidder there, 131 came in.
sell, buy, sell, sell,
So there's a lot of sellers coming in, but they can't push price down too low.
sell,
That doesn't give me
buy,
an incredible amount of conviction, but it certainly doesn't hurt either.
sell,
Quick move down,
sell,
touched my stop, and I want to see it reclaim that move.
sell,
Back above entry. Yeah, it's kind of playing around with me too much. I'm going to take it off for a 2-tick loss. I didn't like that we started accepting below the 50 MA, which spooked me just enough to get out of the trade early. And we will see if that was a good idea or not. I have a feeling it was, just because we are now downtrending and we have had a whole bunch of big sellers come in. But let's see. I do want to tag those real quick. They try to. So there's the move down. This has now been traded through both directions. That has been traded through both directions. We just put in a new convergence here. This could be breaking out. I'll try the short 81.25. Took it off there for 3. So that was a good ATR candle continuation with momentum. That was to the downside. Good, exit good. Scalp. E set up, strong tape. I had really strong tape in my favor there. Did we have another one that I need to mark? Yeah, I already marked that one. Never mind. Is this 1,000? It's setting up for 1,000. Yeah, if I start it from there. Now I've got a double convergence level here at 80 even. With reclaim below. Pretty steady selling. I'm going to try the short 79.75. I want to keep my wrist tight on this because of the reclaim risk. It looks good so far. It is accepting down here below the 50 MA. Good, more selling. Good compression here. See if we can get a bit more continuation. I'll take the point. Got the point. So it looks like we fixed those mistakes from earlier. Yes, we did. So I had a 4-tick loss and a 2-tick loss. And then I had a 4-tick win and a 3-tick win. So that actually puts me back up. So I will probably call it there. I think the session's been, I think we're getting close to an hour. I'm not sure. Not really 36 minutes, but still, that's good enough. Good enough, close enough. So I'm going to call it there, jump into some review.